Hello! Today's video is about how to create YouTube stories. Let's begin. Stories are short, mobile-only videos that allow you to connect with your audience more casually on the go. Stories will expire after 7 days. And just a little reminder, you cannot create stories if your channel's audience is set as made for kids. And you can no longer add music from the audio library to YouTube stories. They are removing this feature because of low usage, and so you can focus on improving the stories experience. And the stories feature is in beta and available to all eligible channels with over 10,000 subscribers. It may take up to 7 days for stories to show up after reaching 10,000 subscribers. So here is how to create a story. First, sign in to YouTube on mobile. Tap the Create button. Then add to your story. If you don't see the story option, your device is not compatible with stories currently. Tap the capture button to take a photo, or hold it down to record a video. Add effects like filters, text, and stickers. You can also trim your stories, or save it. Then tap Post. You can also select a video or image from your mobile device to add to your story. Now here is how to add stickers to your stories. When editing your story, you can add stickers to express yourselves, a link to a video, and more. So first, from the top right, tap Stickers. Select the sticker to add into your story. You can select the video sticker, tap the video sticker, select the video, and you can only share one of your own YouTube videos every 7 days. There's no limit on the number of video stickers for videos from other channels. To add a mention sticker, tap the mention sticker, search for a creator you'd like to mention. From the list, select their channel. Then, to add a location sticker, tap the location sticker. Search for a place and select it from the list. Here's how to reply to a comment on a story. You can highlight and get back to comments from viewers with a comment sticker in your next story. To do so, go to your story by selecting your profile picture from the subscription feed or from your channel page. Tap the comments. Below the comment you'd like to highlight in your next story, tap Reply in Story. You can record a video or a photo with the app. You can change the position and size of the comment sticker in your story after recording your response by pinching and dragging with 2 fingers. Then tap Post. If you ever change your mind and you want to delete a video within the story, to delete, tap the story, tap the player until you get to the video or photo you'd like to delete. Tap the menu, the 3 dots, then select Delete. Now when you're happy with your content, tap Save and then tap Post to deliver your story. And here's a pro tip. Create a story on Instagram or YouTube and save it to your device. You can then repost it to Facebook, Instagram, and other social media accounts. And that is how easy it is to create a YouTube story. So go ahead and try it out to gain more traffic on YouTube. And if you want to gain more traffic not only on YouTube but in Facebook and Twitter too, you should try our product, Memester Video Edition. It's 100% new desktop app that grows your audience and your visitors. Bring an instant turnaround in your business and work. Get more traffic for the same videos that you've always produced because people will now notice them. Use YouTube videos to create your own video memes instantly, even if you haven't created a single video yet. Get reach, engagement, traffic, and sales without spending anything or working all day. If you want to know more about Memester, just go to memester.in. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.